Good morning, class second. How are you? I hope you all good. Students, we will reading chapter number 5. Okay? So let's start reading. This is your chapter number 5. The name of chapter is Bones and Muscles. Bones and muscles. BONES, bones and muscles. MUSCLES, muscles. Our body is made up of bones and muscles. Our body is made up of bones. Underline the word of bones. BONES, bones and muscles. Underline the word of muscles. MUSCLES, muscles. They provide support to our, underline the word of provide. PROVIDE, provide. Our body is made up of bones and muscles. They provide support to our body and give shape to it. They help our body to move, work and play. They help our body to move, work and play. Bones. BONES, bones. There are 206 bones in our body. There are 206 bones in our body. The bones together form a hard and strong framework called the skeleton. The bones together form a hard and strong framework, FRAME, frame, WORK, work, framework called the skeleton. Underline the word of skeleton, SKELETON, skeleton. The skeleton gives shape and support to our body. The skeleton, SKELETON, skeleton gives shape and support to our body. Without the skeleton, we would look like a jelly. Without the skeleton, we would look like a jelly. We will not be able to stand straight and move. We will not be able to stand straight, STRAIGST, straight and move. The skeleton also protects the soft inner body parts. The skeleton also protect, protect the soft inner body parts. Underline the word of inner. Okay students, please turn the page. The skull protects our brain. This is the skull. The skull protects our brain. Ribs. These are our ribs. Ribs protect our heart and lungs. The place where two or more bones are joined together is called a joint. The place where two or more bones are joined together is called a joint. Joints allow us to bend and twist. Underline the word of bend and twist. B-E-N-D, bend, and twist, T-W-E-S-T, twist. There are 230 joints in our body. There are 230 joints in our body. Look at the picture, students. Elbow joints, wrist joints, knee joints, and ankle joint. Elbow joint, E-L-B-O-W, elbow joint. Wrist joint, W-R-I-S-T, wrist joint. Knee joint, K-N-E-E, knee joint. A-N-K-L-E, ankle joint. Muscles, M-U-S-C-L-E-S, muscles. Bones move our body with the help of muscles. Bones move our body with the help of muscles. They are under our skin and cover our bones. They are under our skin and cover our bones. Bones and muscles work together to allow us to walk, run, and play. Bones and muscles work together to allow us to walk, run, and play. There are about 650 muscles in our body. There are about 650 muscles in our body. Look at the picture, students. These are our muscles, okay? Exercise, E-X-E-R, C-I-S-E, size, exercise. Exercise, E-X-E-R-C-I-S-E, exercise, makes, M-A-K-E-S, makes our bones, B-O-N-E-S, bones, and muscles, M-U-S-C-L-E-S, muscles, strong, S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. exercise makes our bones and muscles strong. Eating healthy food also helps to make our bones and muscles strong. Food like meat, eggs, beans, and milk make our bones and muscles strong and healthy. Eating, eating, eating healthy, healthy, healthy food also helps to make our bones and muscles strong. strong, strong foods like meat, meat, eggs, beans, 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 and milk make our bones and muscles strong and healthy. healthy, healthy. Walking, running, cycling, and swimming are some form of exercise that we can do daily. Walking, walking, walking. Running, running, running. Cycling, cycling, cycling. And swimming, swimming, swimming are some forms of exercise that we can do daily. Exercise makes our bones and muscles strong. Eating healthy food also helps to make our bones and muscles strong. Foods like meat, eggs, beans, and milk make our bones and muscles strong and healthy. Walking, running, cycling, and swimming are some forms of exercise that we can do daily. Turn the page, students. posture, posture. The position in which we hold our body while walking, standing, or sitting called posture. Correct posture keeps our body in proper position. The position 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 in which which we hold hold our body while while walking walking, standing standing, or sitting sitting called posture. posture. Correct posture keeps our body in proper position. proper. Underline the word of proper. Position. T-I-O-N, position. Put a tick against correct posture and cross against the incorrect. This is incorrect posture, so cross. Okay, this is your homework. Do yourself. Okay, students. Our body is made up of bones and muscles. Our body is made up of bones and muscles. Number 2, the place where two or more bones are joined together is called a joint. The place where two or more bones are joined together is called a joint. Number 2, bones move our body with the help of muscles. Number 3, bones move our body with the help of muscles. Number 4, exercise makes our bones and muscles strong. EXERCISE, exercise makes, MAKES, makes our bones, 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 and muscles strong. Correct, CORRECT, correct posture, 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 keeps, KEEPS, keeps our body in proper position. Correct posture keeps our body in proper, proper position, POSITION, position. So students, your chapter number 5 reading is complete. Now we will filling exercise of chapter number 5. So let's start, students. Fill exercise number A. Exercise number A. Write, WRITE, write. Again write, RIGHT, right, or wrong, 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 for the following statements. Number 1, our body is made up of bones only. Our body is made up of bones only. So the answer is right or wrong. Our body is made up of bones only. The answer is wrong. WRONG, wrong. Second is, the skeleton protects the soft inner body parts. The skeleton protects the soft inner body parts. The answer is right. Yes. RIGHT, right. The skeleton, SKELETON, skeleton protects, PROTECTS, protects the soft inner, INNER, inner body parts. Right. Okay. The skeleton protects the soft inner body parts. Right. Number 3. There are 200 joints in our body. There are 200 joints in our body. The answer is no, means wrong. WRONG, wrong. There are 200 joints in our body. The sentence is wrong. WRONG, wrong. Number 4. Exercise makes our bones and muscles strong. Exercise makes our bones and muscles strong. Yes, this is right answer, right statement. RIGHT, right. Number 5. Incorrect posture keeps our body in proper position. Incorrect, INCORRECT, incorrect posture, POSTURE, posture keeps our body in proper position. The answer is wrong. WRONG, wrong. Okay. Number 1. Our body is made up of bones only. Our body is made up of bones only. Wrong. The skeleton protects the soft inner body parts. Right. There are 200 joints in our body. Wrong. Exercise makes our bones and muscles strong. Right. Incorrect posture keeps our body in proper position. Wrong. Okay. Now we will fill exercise number B. Exercise number B. Choose and write the correct option. Choose and write the correct option. CHOOSE, choose and write the correct CORRECT, correct option. OPTION, option. Number 1. How many bones are there in our body? How many bones are there in our body? Number A, 200. Number B, 206. Number C, 306. Once again, A, 200. B, 206. C, 306. So the answer is 206. Okay. Number 2. What protects our heart and lungs? Number 2. What protects our heart and lungs? HEART, heart, and lungs, LUNGS, lungs. A, skull, SKULL, skull. B, femur, ribs. What protects our heart and lungs? A, skull, femur, and C, ribs. The answer is ribs. Okay. Number 3. The place where two or more bones are joined together is called a joint, B point, C coin. The place where two or more bones are joined together is called a joint, B point, C coin. The answer is joint. Okay. Number 4. What makes our bones and muscles strong? What makes our bones and muscles strong? A. Exercise, B. Healthy food, C. Both. A. Exercise, B. Healthy food, C. Both. The answer is both. Okay. This is not only. Number 5. Bones move our body with the help of A. Fiber, B. Muscles, C. Skeleton. Bones move our body with the help of fibers, Fibres, B. Muscles, 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 skeleton, Skeleton, skeleton. The answer is muscles. Okay, students, we will finish our exercise of chapter number 5 and reading also finished. So you all go to the washroom and wash your hands and take care of everyone.